It's AumSum time!
What if toys disappeared?
I don't need a toy. I am grown up.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if toys disappeared, many parents may face a hard time in keeping their kids entertained. Secondly, if toys disappeared, millions of people working in the manufacturing, distribution, as well as sales of toys will be out of jobs. Thirdly, some kids love their toy cars. Some love their favorite superhero toys. If toys disappeared, it may prove to be a little difficult to console them. Fourthly, parents will start thinking out of the box and find out unique creative ways of keeping their kids entertained. Lastly, some educational toys are used to help kids learn better. If toys disappeared, the void left behind will be hard to fill. On the flip side, if toys disappeared, it may give kids a chance of getting more involved in outdoor activities as well as sports. What if bulbs and tube lights disappeared?
No problem. I will reveal my inner glow and light everything up.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, entire world will go almost dark after sunset. Secondly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, driving after sunset, as in without street lights, would become extremely dangerous. Thirdly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people will really look forward to full moon day as nights will be much brighter on that day. Fourthly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people might go back to using candles at night. Lastly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people might say goodbye to late night work as well as partying. On the flip side, firstly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, electricity bills will come down for everyone. Lastly, people will start constructing homes which make better use of natural sunlight. What if shampoos disappeared?
My hair are so soft and silky. I don't need shampoo.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if shampoos disappeared, there might be a sudden increase in dandruff for a lot of people. Secondly, people may try out different innovative methods to protect their hair. Thirdly, if shampoos disappeared, shares of a number of cosmetic companies will definitely go down. Fourthly, if shampoos disappeared, people may shower for less amount of time. A lot of water will be conserved. Lastly, if shampoos disappeared, the only people that won't get affected much will be bald people. On the flip side, firstly, some companies still test shampoos on animals. If shampoos disappeared, those animals will be relieved. Secondly, many shampoos in the market contain harmful chemicals. If shampoos disappeared, our hair may be relieved. Lastly, some people overuse shampoos. If shampoos disappeared, their hair might actually be happy. What if restaurants disappeared?
No problem. Then I will cook food for everybody.
Wow, AumSum. Firstly, if restaurants disappeared, everybody will start eating more at home as compared to outside. Secondly, eating at home is much cheaper as compared to eating outside. If restaurants disappeared, people will have more disposable income to spend on other things. Thirdly, fast food is not good for health. If restaurants disappeared, people might actually get healthy. Fourthly, millions of jobs and billions of dollars are connected to the restaurant industry. If restaurants disappeared, the economy will definitely suffer. Fifthly, if restaurants disappeared, people who travel a lot either by road or by planes will really miss having a nice lunch or dinner at a fine restaurant. Lastly, especially in cities, restaurants occupy a lot of prime real estate. If restaurants disappeared, a lot of new businesses might be interested in these places. What if roads disappeared?
AumSum can fly. He doesn't need roads.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if roads disappeared, rides on even super expensive cars will be extremely bumpy. Secondly, if roads disappeared, speed limits will come down. People may drive more cautiously as there will be obstacles all around. Thirdly, especially in cities, huge amount of space is consumed by roads. If roads disappeared, there will be a huge debate on what to do with that space. Fourthly, if roads disappeared, Google Maps may not work anymore. Fifthly, if roads disappeared, sales of dirt bikes will really pick up. Sixthly, if roads disappeared, current standards of manufacturing cars as well as tires will have to be completely overhauled, as they will not survive this rigid environment. Lastly, if roads disappeared, even for short distances, people will start traveling by trains, ships, as well as airplanes. What if mirrors disappeared?
No problem. I am so handsome, I don't need a mirror.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if mirrors disappeared, people will rarely get haircuts as they may fail to notice how long their hair have actually grown. Secondly, if mirrors disappeared, ladies will not waste much time on makeup. Their husbands will be really happy. Thirdly, if mirrors disappeared, salons might start closing down. Fourthly, if mirrors disappeared, beauty contests may not be held anymore. Fifthly, if mirrors disappeared, sales of cosmetic and beauty products like lipsticks, face creams, shampoos, etc. will go down sharply. Sixthly, if mirrors disappeared, makeup artists may have to look for a new profession. Lastly, rear view mirror as well as side mirrors are extremely important in cars. If mirrors disappeared, driving a car may actually turn out to be dangerous. What if cars disappeared?
No problem. I only travel using airplanes.
Wow, AumSum. Firstly, if cars disappeared, people driving bicycles will be among the happiest. Secondly, public transportation will suddenly become extremely popular. Thirdly, millions of cars are sold each year, creating millions of jobs and billions of dollars. If cars disappeared, jobs and money both will be lost. Fourthly, billions of liters of petrol and diesel is burnt by cars around the world every day. If cars disappeared, oil demand will go down drastically. Lastly, if cars disappeared, car racing championships like Formula 1, NASCAR, etc. will exist only on video games. On the flip side, firstly, pollution levels will come down drastically. Secondly, if cars disappeared, people might start walking or using bicycles to get to work, in turn getting healthier. Lastly, if cars disappeared, lives will be saved as the number of fatal accidents will come down drastically. What if rain disappeared?
No problem. Just like I water my plants, I will water the world.
Wow, AumSum. Firstly, after the sweltering heat of summer, plants, animals, as well as humans are eagerly waiting for those precious drops of water to fall from sky. If rain disappeared, everybody will be mightily disappointed. Secondly, if rain disappeared, human beings will have to set up huge desalination plants to convert seawater to drinking water. Thirdly, water will become more expensive than gold. Wars may be fought over it. Fourthly, if rain disappeared, we will really miss those beautiful rainbows. Fifthly, if rain disappeared, we may only be able to dream about swimming tanks and long showers. Lastly, if rain disappeared, freshwater sources like rivers, lakes, and even dams will start drying up. Fertile lands will turn into deserts. Crop production will go down. Eventually, even human beings will go extinct. What if fishes disappeared?
Oh no! Who will teach me how to swim?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, there are trillions of fishes in oceans. If fishes disappeared, this would be the biggest shock planet Earth has received so far. Secondly, if fishes disappeared, aquariums will contain nothing but water and plants. Thirdly, millions of people living near coastal areas mostly eat fish. If fishes disappeared, people might start starving due to lack of food. Fourthly, many people have a hobby of going for fishing on weekends. If fishes disappeared, all of them will come back empty-handed. Fifthly, scuba divers love to dive and explore the wonderful, colorful world inside oceans. If fishes disappeared, scuba diving may go out of fashion. Lastly, fishing industry employs millions of people and is worth billions of dollars. If fishes disappeared, world economy will surely go into recession.